Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create custom CSS animations for your website. If you've ever wanted to add fun, interactive animations to your site but didn't know how, you're in the right place. No coding skills are required, and you'll have everything up and running in minutes. Hi, I'm here to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to create and customize CSS animations for your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to animate icons, buttons, and more, making your site more engaging for visitors. Why use ChatGPT for CSS animations? Designing animations can be time-consuming, especially if you're new to CSS. But with ChatGPT, you can generate custom animation code in seconds. Just describe the effect you want, and ChatGPT will do the rest. Shake, spin, fade, whatever you're looking for. It's possible. Step 1. Access your website editor and use ChatGPT to generate CSS code. Start by logging into your website editor and navigating to the page you want to customize. Open ChatGPT to generate the CSS for your animation. Provide a prompt describing the desired effect, like an icon with a subtle shake and a brief pause. ChatGPT will generate the full CSS code, including keyframes and selectors. Once you have the code, locate the Custom CSS section in your website editor, paste the code into the Custom CSS field, and save your changes to see the animation in action.
So first, let's log in, and I'm going to show you what I want to edit. So this is my website for one of my funnels right now. And I want, let's say, these icons to have a little bit of animation. So when people go on my website, it's a little fun, interactive thing to keep people engaged. So let's open up ChatGPT, and we're going to type something like this. Write me a CSS code that has animations for a icon that shakes slightly with a 1 second pause in between. And there we go. It spat out a complete custom CSS code, and even teaches us how to integrate this into our website. So what we're going to do now is going to simply just press this copy code and go into our website editor. And we're going to go into settings, custom CSS. And I'm just going to scroll to the bottom and make some new lines and copy and paste that inside. And we're just going to press save for now.
Step 2. Customize your animation. To animate a specific element, start by identifying its unique CSS selector in the advanced settings. Replace any generic references in the custom CSS with this selector to target the element specifically. If you want to adjust the animation's intensity or speed, you can ask ChatGPT for help by requesting changes like make the shake animation more subtle. Copy the updated CSS code, paste it into the custom CSS section, and replace the existing keyframe definitions. Save your changes to see the refined animation in action.
So what we want to do is we want to press this icon. You can select whichever icon you want. So let's just do this magnifying glass. And you're going to click it and go into advanced. Now you see how because of the code it's making these shake. So we don't want that. We want only this thing to shake. So we're going to copy this CSS selector code, copy that, and go back into our settings. Go custom CSS, scroll to the bottom, and here we have icon. We're going to delete that and copy and paste and put a space in between and click yes, save. And so now you can see it's only this icon shaking. Now this icon shakes a bit too much, so I don't want that. I'm just going to go in and tell ChatGPT, make that shake less. And there we go. It gave us a completely new CSS code. And all we're going to do is copy the code, same thing in here. Go into settings, custom CSS. Now we're just going to make sure we delete that part. I don't want to delete the other stuff. So from keyframes shake, okay, we delete that copy this in, press save, and then do the same thing. I want the icon, advance, copy my CSS selector, go down to the bottom, delete icon, and paste that in, and click save. There we go. Simple, nice, small shaking icon for that.
Congratulations! You've just learned how to create custom CSS animations with ChatGPT. From shakes to fades to spins, you're now equipped to bring your website to life with eye-catching effects. So go ahead, experiment with different animations, and watch your site transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next tutorial for even more creative website hacks. See you next time.